Hi, I'm Bryce Hebner.
And I'm Michael Guyton, and we're from Saxon Ford. And today, we're going to show you how to remove the doors and top off of a Bronco. To start, make sure you have the following tools handy: a 10mm, a 13mm, and a T50 Torx bit. Not to worry, the Bronco comes with it.
First step, we're going to roll down the windows.
Next, locate the door wire harness between the two door hinges, push back on the little door that holds it in, and pull it out.
Next up, we're going to take our 13mm Bronco tool, and we're going to take the bolts out. And just like that, it's that easy to take the bolts out.
Now, you'll see at the bottom of the door it says lift, and with the door handle, it's as simple as grabbing those two spots and lifting the door away. Now let's move on to removing the roof. Here's how you can do it. Locate the front roof latches on either side of the windshield. Simply pull down and move the center ones over.
Once all the tabs are released, you're going to do one simple thing: push up. Once our front half's off, we're going to go to the back half. First, you're going to grab your Torx bit, and you're going to take out 4 screws on each side, the big ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the back left side of your top, you're going to see 2 plugs that you just need. Once finished, you're going to bring them right down here. You're going to plug them in right here. And the last step of removing the top, we have 2 more bolts to go. On both driver and passenger side, on the top, we're going to remove this bolt right here.
Now it's as simple as lifting the top off, which can be done by one person, but 2 makes it a lot easier.
All that's left to do is enjoy the adventure.